Hi parents, hi students. My name is Mrs. Becerra, but you can call me Miss B. I just wanted to give some quick instructions on what you can expect for Monday and for the rest of distance learning. As you can see on Parent Square, I posted this link. Now that takes you to the website that we're going to be using throughout distance learning that I've created. There's two ways to get there. One, follow the link. And as you can see, we've ended up on the welcome page. You can also go to Clever, which your students should be able to do from Kinder. Once you click on the purple owl where it says Mrs. Becerra's page, I want you to click on this class site and it takes you to the exact same place. Okay, let me go to the home page. So we are at the home page. You can see a Bitmoji classroom that I've created. Everything here is linked to something, so go ahead and play around with that. There is a copy of our class schedule here and a link to Class Dojo. If you haven't already, please log in with us and connect with us. I'm going to show the students on Monday some really fun things we're going to do with that. And if you go up to the top, you can see Classroom. These are just all the Bitmoji slides that I will explain to the students on Monday, but feel free to play around with them. This one's a really fun page. These are some important links for parents and students. Now you're probably wondering throughout the week, how are you going to find your work? How are you going to know what to do? That is where this website is extremely important. At the top, I know you only see Monday now, but that's just to make it easy for students and parents to log into Monday. Throughout the week, I will be posting Tuesday, Wednesday. They're probably going to look the same because I'm trying to keep it around the same thing, just switching the activities. That way students know exactly where to click, when to click. So let's look at Monday. If you see this little Google Meet logo, that means we are meeting live that time. I even put the time here. How do you get to the link? How do you get to the class? You just follow the picture. Okay, so we're going to get ready to join the Google Meet. Obviously, nobody is here yet, but I do ask that students please be muted. This is muted, red line through the microphone, muted, and that their cameras be on so I can see who's on with me. We're not meeting in person yet, so I want to know what you look like, and make sure you keep your cameras on. If you have any problems with that, please message me and we can talk about that. Okay. So this is the morning meeting. We start at 8:15 every day. Math is broken up into 3 20-minute segments. This means we are meeting live. I need you on here live. Then I will let you go and you'll go on Imagine Math. It says right here, for 20 minutes, you're going to go on Imagine Math. Then you're going to go to Imagine Math Facts. It has the times right here, and do a seesaw activity. Then you're going to see break. This is that really fun slide that I was showing you earlier. Feel free to click on any one of them. It takes you out. I've linked some cool Go Noodle games. You just have to click on one and you get to do one for 10 minutes. This is what you would do at recess, which is go get water, go get a snack, go to the bathroom, maybe run around for a little bit if you're feeling a little wiggly. That is your time. That is your 10 minutes, and then we'll get back on together. ELA has also been broken up, and if you see this logo, that means that we're meeting live. So for these 20 minutes, we're meeting live, and then I'm going to let you do some other stuff. We get another break, and you get to do another Go Noodle. You guessed it, this is live. Just click on the camera, and we're live, and we're doing some writing. Click on the camera, we're live, we're doing some ELD. Then you get lunch. Lunch at school is from 10 to 1. That's the time that they're serving it, but I would really love for you to go from 11:45 to 12:45. That way we can still talk, because at 10 o'clock we're doing all this cool stuff and I don't want you to miss any of it. So there's lunch. Then you get to do this really fun PE Mario game all by yourself. You just have to click on the picture and it's going to take you to a safe YouTube link with no ads and nothing else. Then you're going to do one last assignment, which is your seesaw. If you have any questions about how to navigate this website, please feel free to hop on Google Meets with us, maybe ask me or send me a message. I'm always here for questions, comments, concerns, and we're going to have a great year.